Ever wondered what the ancient Greeks used before iPhones? What if I told you they had a computer? Not one with a screen or a keyboard, but a mechanical marvel of bronze gears and dials. Found in a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera, this device from over 2,000 years ago is known as the Antikythera Mechanism. This isn't just an old clock. This is an incredibly sophisticated astronomical calculator. By turning a simple hand crank, ancient astronomers could predict solar and lunar eclipses, track the positions of the sun, moon, and planets, and even map out the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. It's a testament to the sheer genius of ancient Greek engineering and their deep understanding of the cosmos. The Antikythera Mechanism truly is a time machine connecting us to the brilliant minds of the past. If you found this as amazing as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more dives into history's greatest mysteries. Thanks for watching.